Hey everyone, it's test day soon, and I know you're probably feeling a mix of excitement and maybe a little nerves. That's perfectly normal. But don't worry, I'm here to give you some crucial tips to help you absolutely crush the SAT math section. Let's get started. But before we start, hit the subscribe button, and we have got the best tip for you at the end of the video. First, and this is huge, sleep. I'm talking serious sleep. Aim to be in bed and asleep by 9 p.m. the night before the test. Then, set your alarm for 6 a.m. Yes, 6 a.m. This gives you a solid 2 hours before the test to properly wake up. And when you do wake up, hit the shower, a cold shower. It's the best way to shock your system awake and get your brain firing on all cylinders. Tip 2. Fuel your brain. Now, let's talk about food. The night before, focus on a light dinner. Think carbs for energy, veggies for nutrients and a little protein. And nuts for sustained power. No junk food. That's going to slow you down. For breakfast on test day, ditch the coffee and tea. I know, it sounds crazy, but caffeine increases cortisol levels, which will increase your stress. Instead, go for a banana, an apple, and fried eggs. This is a powerful brain-boosting combination. It's a banana for potassium, which help you to focus better, fried eggs because it contains protein that will help your brain to stay awake, and its yolk goes straight to your brain for energy, and an apple to give you fibers to help you feel fulfilled. And bring snacks. Pack 2 bananas or granola bar in a water bottle for the test itself. But here's a tip. Remove the label from your water bottle. As in many test centers, they refused labeled products. Take small sips of water every 5 minutes during the test. Your dried lips are the alert that you need to drink more water. Dehydration kills focus, and we need you sharp. Tip 3. Mental preparation. Okay, this is super important. Ignore the noise. Avoid last-minute cramming sessions that are just going to stress you out. Steer clear of people who are talking about secret test strategies or guaranteed ways to pass. They are usually scams to make you stress more. Meditate instead. Focus on your breath. Remember what you've learned. Trust in your preparation. You've got this. Tip 4. Test strategy. Now, let's talk strategy during the test. Break the math section into 3 phases. Phase 1. Go through the entire section and answer every question you know how to do quickly and confidently. Read each question carefully once, and if you don't get it, proceed to the next one. Phase 2. Once you've completed all the easy questions, revisit the ones you skipped in Phase 1. The ones you knew how to solve but were taking too long. Now you can give them a more focused effort. Phase 3. Finally, take one last shot at the questions that completely stumped you. But don't spend too much time on any single question. Remember, every question is worth the same number of points. Tip number 5. Don't panic. Before even attempting to solve any question, make absolutely sure that you understand what the question is asking you to find. Highlight the question so that you do not forget and you do not answer the wrong answer. And above all, don't panic. If you come across a question that you just cannot figure out, don't let it derail you. Get over it and move on. Don't waste valuable time fighting a losing battle. At last, you've put in the work. You're prepared. Now it's time to show the SAT what you've got. I wish you all the best on your test. Go in there with confidence, focus, and a positive attitude. I know you can do this. Drop any question in the comments. Thank you for watching.